How to make jumbo bags. How to choose the better supplier. We, a renowned jumbo bag manufacturer, have years of experience in producing various types of ton bags to meet various needs of our customers. Today, we would like to share with you the detailed production process of our jumbo bags. The production process of ton bags includes several critical stages, from raw material procurement to final product assembly and testing. The first step is to procure the right materials for the production of ton bags. After receiving the raw materials, the fabric is prepared for the production process. The seaming process is crucial for the strength and durability of the ton bags. After the seaming process, the individual components are assembled together to form a complete ton bag. The final stage involves adding finishing touches to the ton bags, such as painting, printing, or applying any additional features as per the customer's specifications. After assembly, all the bags are subjected to rigorous inspection to ensure quality control and conformity to our high standards. The production process of a ton bag involves various stages from raw material procurement to final inspection and packaging. If you require any further information or assistance regarding our ton bags, please do not hesitate to contact us.